And what I found out there was, like, obviously it's a non-manufacturing environment, but they were using machine learning to go understand who would respond to what type of mailing, like what type of creative that you're sending out. And then more importantly is, who should they be mailing? And what Capital One was doing was just constantly looking at all the different streams of data that's out there, building models. Again, who should I not send something to? Are they going to respond? Are they not going to respond? And then from a credit risk standpoint, right? Like, what credit limit should I give them? Like, are they low risk? Or, again, if you think about a straight line, everybody gets a $500 credit limit. But the reality is some people should get more, some people should get less, right? If you know, back in the day, the way people made these decisions, it was all manual. Like, there was, how do we use data in our other parts of the business? Even so much so, I talked to somebody recently, and they were telling me about this gravity modeling they were doing. Where do we go build new bank branches? Like, all of that, you go look at, you know, where people live, where people travel. Again, the key with machine learning is you have a known outcome that you want to have happen. You have a known outcome that you want to go avoid. And like, once you kind of have that and you go understand it, you go through and you figure out what data can you have to go make these decisions. So again, they weren't just making marketing decisions off of it. They weren't just making credit decisions. They were making operations decisions off of it, right? And, you know, who do we hire? Who, you know, how are people performing? All of that was kind of built into that culture. So when I think of machine learning, I think of all of that. It isn't just the act of machine learning. It isn't just having smart people come up and try to get good answers so that you can have this slope again, so that you can tilt the scales in your favor. It's having a culture that wants to go do that. It's being able to identify, this is a good problem to go use data for,